viewers, today we have a A05 device control, binary 8. We remove password and FRP first. Let's bypass the device control with the TSM. You have to reset. Let's hold the volume up, down and power to be switch off, and hold it the power, volume up and power button. Release the power button while you see the Samsung. Then you reset.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Select the model, then Q code. Make sure you already removed the FRP. Touch up here. Twice time. There you go. He's scanning the code. Select Wi-Fi. Then you must yes LED mode. Wait for a few minutes. Not be patient, hurry. Wait for a little bit. It will installing the apps. That's you can see we are done, but you must not forget to disable factory setting. Make sure. Wait for to set up complete. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe our channel for next video.